Hey everybody, I am Kina Kraves and I'm back with another video for y'all today. Y'all already know those regulars. If this is your very first time here, go ahead and hit that like button. Hit the subscribe button and click that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. And hey everybody, how y'all doing today? Now, are y'all hungry? I am. Let's eat. I have some spaghetti. I have some garlic bread that I'm gonna introduce in a minute. And I also got me a salad, y'all. So we're gonna go ahead and say our grace and then we can go ahead and eat a little something, okay? Amen. Y'all hear that rain? Y'all, I have cheese in here. I have Parmesan cheese. I have ranch dressing. And I got my toast here and I'm just gonna put to the side. And Bree went to go get my bacon bits. I hope she's actually coming back. I don't know. Never can tell. She did come back with my bacon bits, y'all. Thank you. I should have asked you to get me a roll of paper towel. Oh, I got Pepsi, 0 sugar. I'm with that. I'm with that. This look like Heartburn City, but baby, it's been so long since I had spaghetti. My mouth is watering, y'all. Oh, Lord. Have y'all been missing me? I've been missing y'all for real. Y'all hear the rain? Mmm. Delicious. Mm, mm, mm. Mm, mm, mm. Yeah, mm. I love when it rains when I'm off. Mm. It's lightning, y'all. I'm trying to think if I had something to say. Um, um, yeah. Well, congratulations to Rihanna. She is the youngest, I think, black self-made billionaire. I think I seen that today. And let me talk about this other lady, honey. This lady raises horses. She is a millionaire. Guess what she did? Raped a 14-year-old boy 4 times in one day. 14 years old, she had sex with him 4 times in one day. It's horrible. 4 times, she's a nympho, but that little young boy gave it to her, honey, 4 times. 4 times? And she crazy rich. She raises horses. Y'all know horses, anything concerning horses is expensive. Anything. The upkeep on horses are expensive. Horses are expensive. She raised like horses that race. And the lady sold out. First of all, yes, I'm still on my diet. I'm not gonna even eat this second piece of toast. I want to. I'm not. Whew. Yeah. I'm out of my acid reflux medicine. So I've been taking over-the-counter stuff. It does not work good at all, really. So I know this is about to be a rough evening. But I'm going to stop right here. Because I'm going to let this food digest. It's late. I'm going to sit up for a little while. You know, trying to let this food settle on in. But listen. It is the year 2022. Y'all, we ain't got long. This year about... Y'all look up again, honey. I'm going to be getting married. For real. Excuse me. But yeah, we gotta just make each day the best that we can, and the goals that you set for yourself, go ahead and do it. If you can't complete it, just start on it, because you got to start somewhere. Starting is the hardest part. Once you get to the point to where you started, maintaining it's strenuous, but it's easier than getting started. So let's just go ahead and get started doing on what we said we was gonna do, y'all. And y'all keep telling a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. People are going to judge. People are going to be naysayers. People are going to be negative. We don't care about them. They don't matter. Because the ones that mind, they don't matter. And the ones that matter, they don't mind. Stay crispy and crunchy, my Kravers. We are on the road to 2K. I'll be back tomorrow with another video for y'all. Have a good day.